What's up, guys? It's just a little like update kind of thing here. Been at Woodward past week. Just got back yesterday. It's a pretty good time. Always is. I think a couple guys filmed a few clips of me. Alex Davis and David Shea, and I think Alex is getting me the few clips that he filmed of me in the next couple days, and David Shea filmed the whole video, so if he puts that up on YouTube, I'll be sure to post the link places. Yeah, big ups to those guys. They both shred and film, so yeah. I made a filming board while I was there, so once I get that all set up, should have a lot smoother videos, so that'll be nice. Other than that, just it's super hot again here. It was pretty hot up there, but it's still hotter here, so yeah.